Hello. I wanted to start with a small hexagon board, possibly with sensors or just with an ESP32 and a small antenna on it, a few GPIOs. I want to document how I'm doing this. Do you want to watch it just with music, or should I explain it further? I think most people don't get it anyway, and I'm just tinkering away here. If you have any questions, feel free to write to me. I'll definitely respond, and then let's see where the journey takes us.